Welding looks solid, but those heat-induced marks can compromise your stainless steel's integrity. Let's fix that. Welding disrupts the chromium oxide layer and leaves behind contaminants, turning stainless steel into a corrosion risk. Grinding or brushing removes visual imperfections but doesn't protect against corrosion. Pickling removes scale and weld discoloration but doesn't restore full corrosion resistance. Passivation removes iron contaminants and encourages a protective chromium oxide layer to reform. Electropolishing smooths the surface, removes micro defects, and passivates at molecular level, offering best corrosion resistance. Grinding is quick for appearance fixes. Pickling works for scale removal. For hygiene-sensitive or high-reliability parts, opt for passivation or electropolishing, especially in medical, aerospace, and food processing industries. Best results? Combine proper surface prep with safer citric acid passivation or achieve ultimate durability and cleanliness with electropolishing. Need your welded parts ready for the highest standards? Contact New England Electropolishing today to discuss tailored finishing solutions.